Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Propwire account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a list of vacant land using your Propwire account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find a list of vacant land anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a real estate investor, you know there's no sense in wasting your advertising budget on properties you're just not interested in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Propwire, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a list of vacant land, first you're going to have to choose your farming area. So this could be a city, it could be a zip code, it could be a complete county. That really depends on the area that you're working. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just type in Glendale, California. Okay, once you see the area pop up here at the bottom, go ahead and click on it. Okay, next, Propwire is going to let you know how many properties they have logged in that area. You can see there's about 41,000 properties in Glendale, but in order to filter these out by vacant land, here on the top, you're going to click on property types, and then you're going to click on this button here, land. Okay, you can see this area is built up pretty good. Out of all those properties, only 379 of them are vacant land. So you can kind of scroll through them. Now, if you want to filter these out, if you already have an idea on the type of land that you want to buy, you're going to click here on more, and then you can click here on property filters. And then here you can go ahead and change the lot size. So let's say that maybe we want something that's at least 9,000 square feet. Also, I personally like to buy from private owners. So I'm going to click here on owner filters, and then I'm going to click here owner type individual. And then here also years of ownership. Me personally, if they just bought the land within the past 3 years, then it's not likely they're going to sell me their vacant land. So I'm normally going to go ahead and put at least 3 years right there. And then I'll click on save and close. Okay, you can see it drops down to 31 results. So for me personally, that's a pretty good list size. However, you can continue to add more and more filters as you see fit. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to find a list of vacant land using your Propwire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.